In a landscape of complex regulation, cyber threats, and technological disruption, you need secure, streamlined communication solutions that drive your business forward. Meet Symphony, trusted connectivity for global finance. Serving over 1,000 financial institutions, Symphony is powered by 4 interconnected platforms: messaging, voice, directory, and analytics. Symphony Messaging is the secure messaging platform built for companies with complex regulatory needs. It enables AI-powered real-time collaboration as a desktop or mobile app, or even embedded directly in your workflow. Prefer WhatsApp, SMS, WeChat, or Line? Federation enables you to connect to clients on their preferred apps in compliance with industry regulations. Not only does this transform the way you engage your clients, making it possible for you to meet them where they want to be, but also helps protect you from regulatory fines for off-channel communication. Symphony Voice powers fast and flexible communication. Anchored by Cloud9, our award-winning Trader Voice product connects a global community of traders and trader-adjacent teams. We're redefining flexibility in the industry. With fully cloud-native software, you're no longer tied down by physical phone lines and on-prem infrastructure, making Cloud9 the ideal cloud-based turret phone replacement for the modern trading floor. Finding the right contact at the right moment is crucial. Symphony Directory is the company-verified, trusted network of global market participants. The enhanced directory lets you search by title, industry, asset class, or organization. Underpinning our messaging and voice platforms, the directory connects you with the right counterparties instantly and securely, with customizable access controls to protect your data. Powered by its proprietary intelligence engine, Symphony Analytics leverages AI to deliver bespoke markets and communication insights. While your competitors are drowning in information overload, you can make precise decisions with confidence, all while maintaining full control of your most confidential data. Security is in our DNA. With uncompromising data protection, end-to-end encryption, and resilient architecture, Symphony helps you comply with stringent regulatory requirements and builds trust between you and your counterparties. Symphony is a complete ecosystem designed to strengthen client relationships and power workflows across all asset classes and teams, from front to back office. Join our community of over 500,000 users. Visit symphony.com and transform the way you work.